Hi, went out for a run today to go and pick up some supplies and stuff from Casbah, some old broken pallets, and on the way back we got hit by a storm, and the storm's given us a bit of a battering, but this has worked perfectly, these bases, which I'm really pleased with. What's not worked perfectly is, guess what's missing? Isn't that where the shed used to be? You see, I'd never bolted it down because it were never meant to stay there, and we always knew we were going to have to move it, and the girls put some of the stuff in the shed, in the mast, sorry, but the shed's decided it decides it's not a shed anymore, it's an Olympic gymnast, and it's done a few flips and ended up in a right old mess. It's rolled completely over. The piece that's in front of us is the left hand side or the right hand side of the roof. It's all crumpled and battered, and it's oh no, it's not, that is the roof, that's the whole roof, it's the side that's collapsed in, so I'm going to have a right old job repairing that. This is all because we didn't get this done last year. We know winter storms are pretty bad. The problem we've got is that it's not alone. Was that Mr. B shouting? I thought there was Mr. B down there. Yeah, they'll all be out now because the storm's just passed. But it were a humdinger, 45 mph wind, so 45k winds. And the other shed is not there anymore, and there's my lovely beautiful pillar drill, and there's the shed. It's gone bloop and landed there, which means Kirsty can't, oh she can get in the caravan, we didn't think she could get in the caravan, but she can. And all my tools, equipment is 10,000 quid worth of stuff there, maybe 15 when you add it all up. Nightmare. But this is think of life, this is what living out here is like. You're toddling along nicely, and then it decides, no, we're going to give you another job, and now it's given us 2 other jobs because I've got to sort all that, not like that. The concrete is coming, what day are we on? Friday, Thursday today. It'll be about 2 weeks that we're getting the concrete for them and the mass. Round about the same time the week after that, the guys coming with the tractor and the shaker for the olive harvest. So at least that's a job we don't have to do, but we do have to sort of collect all the olives and take them to the cooperativa or the mill. We'll be going to the artisan mill to get them processed. But this has worked perfectly. Even with all that rain, the rain's done exactly what it's meant to do in collecting there and running off from this. If you can see there, you can see where that stack of pallets is at the bottom of it. Underneath it's still dry. So this is going to work and do what I need it to do. Where the pool is, we took the pool, Kirsty and the girls sorted that out yesterday, took the pool away. So yeah, a bit of a nightmare today, but hey ho, we move on, we carry on, we deal with the problem, focus on the solution, and don't whinge and cry like little bitches. So yeah, that's the little sad news update for you. Anyway, take care guys, bye.